Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have power and a network. Now get the signal into the TV. First, plug the LED into a grounded outlet and confirm the status LED. Once done, connect the TV to your router by Ethernet for stability or to 4/5 GHz Wi-Fi if you need wireless. Make sure the SSID and password are correct. Then select the Smart Platform input or the HDMI port where your streaming stick or console is connected. You should open the YouTube app on the LED platform or cast from your phone by tapping the cast icon once both devices share the same network. Sign into your Google account so your subscriptions, playlists, and watch history follow you. This matters for recommendations and parental controls. Make sure the app and TV firmware are up to date to avoid glitches, and set a default playback quality to balance sharpness and buffering, especially on slower connections. You're minutes away from smooth playback. Pick a video, then tweak display mode and audio output to match your room, Vivid or Cinema for color, optical or Bluetooth for sound. Use the remote or the YouTube mobile app for faster text entry and playlist control. A Bluetooth keyboard helps search. Once you confirm playback, create a playlist or queue videos. If you hit problems, power cycle the LED and router, verify Wi-Fi signal, and reauthorize the YouTube app. That single troubleshooting step fixes most connections.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.